नमस्कार, आप सबका तहे दिल से स्वागत है जानकारी और मनोरंजन से भरपूर कार्यक्रम कम्युनिटी रनअप में। मैं हूं विकास नांगिया। आज का अंक क्या कुछ समेटे हुए हैं, आइए सबसे पहले ये जान लेते हैं। न्यूयॉर्क सिटी में अभिषेक, दीपिका और आशुतोष ने खेले हम जी जान से की वीडियो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस संबोधित की। हैरी पॉटर अपने आखिरी चरण में दर्शकों को पहले से कहीं ज्यादा आकर्षित कर रहा है। ओंटारियो कनाडा में नामचीन राजनीतिज्ञों की उपस्थिति में दिवाली मनाई गई। कार्यक्रम के अंत में आपको ले चलेंगे शिकागो, जहां निरंकारी मिशन ने दिवाली मेला और गुजरात कल्चरल एसोसिएशन ने दिवाली गेला डिनर का आयोजन किया। ये सब कुछ लेकिन एक छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद बस हम यूं गए और यूं आए।
बिना पढ़े तुमने वो पेपर्स रद्दी में कैसे डाल दिए?
इस प्रयोग के जरिए हम बा को नीचे बुला सकते हैं।
ना आपने वो लीज के पेपर्स कहाँ रखे?
तो भाभी जी जरा लाइन दीजिए ना प्लीज।
किससे लाइन मांग रहा है?
फिर बनाना मोबाइल का नेटवर्क आपके सेल में घुसा।
मेरे दिमाग में तो भैया कुछ नहीं घुसा।
कम्युनिटी रनअप में आप सबका फिर से स्वागत है। मैं हूं विकास नांगिया। खेले हम जी जान से, जी हां, यह है ऑस्कर नॉमिनेटेड लगान फिल्म के डायरेक्टर आशुतोष गोवारिकर की नई फिल्म, जिसमें मुख्य किरदार निभा रहे हैं अभिषेक बच्चन और दीपिका पादुकोण। फिल्म बॉक्स ऑफिस पर कितना कमाल दिखाएगी ये तो वक्त बतलाएगा, लेकिन फिलहाल यह जरूर कह सकते हैं कि फिल्म की प्रमोशन सभी जी जान से कर रहे हैं। रियल लाइफ घटना को दर्शक रियल लाइफ पर देखने के लिए उत्सुक हैं। बुधवार को मुंबई भारत से वीडियो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस संबोधित करते हुए सभी कलाकार उत्साहित नजर आए। यहां न्यूयॉर्क सिटी में प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के दौरान मेरे संग पंकज ब्रह्मभट्ट शामिल हुए। लगान और जोधा अकबर दो सुपरहिट, स्वदेश एक एवरेज और व्हाट्स योर राशि फ्लॉप फिल्म के बाद आशुतोष गोवारिकर एक बार फिर मैदान बॉलीवुड जंग में शामिल हैं। इस बार शायद वह मोर्चा मार लेंगे, क्योंकि उन्हें पीरियड फिल्म्स बनाने में महारत हासिल है। मननी चैटर्जी की किताब डू एंड डाई द चिटागोंग अपराइजिंग 1930-34 को उन्होंने बड़ी सुंदरता से पर्दे पर उतारा है। प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में पहला प्रश्न उनसे यही था कि क्या यह फिल्म देशभक्ति की जागरूकता के साथ साथ यूथ एम्पावरमेंट का भी संदेश देती है, तो उन्होंने कहा,
माय क्वेश्चन टू आशुतोष, the movie, in a way, you think empowers the youth. It definitely goes beyond the entertainment value. You want to create awareness about these freedom fighters. Do you think that Do or Die, or perhaps Khele Hum Ji Jaan Se, is the new mantra for the youth?
Yeah, I think as an interpretation of what the revolutionaries stood for, of what the teenagers stood for, of them going out and doing what they thought was required to do. I think as an interpretation of that, in today's society, if teenagers, if the youth decides that they want to do, of course we don't have an oppressor now in the form of a foreign rule, but in terms of social evils, if the youth decides that they want to go out and eradicate the social evil, they can do it. The element of to do is something that really attracted me. In fact, you said do or die. Even I was constantly thinking that the slogan is do or die, but actually the book is called Do and Die, which is what attracted me most. The times are different. In no way are we trying to propagate that violence is the solution to our problems. It's a depiction of what has happened in the past, in 1930, and that depiction has to be accurate. I think we would be home if the interpretation of it metaphorically is taken as that you need to solve things, you can come together and even do it in a non-violent way. We have tried to bring that across. I hope that as a message goes through.
अभिषेक और दीपिका डी-ग्लैम रोल्स में हैं और अमूमन ये देखा गया है कि इस तरह के किरदार एक एक्टर के करियर को नया रुख प्रदान करते हैं। दोनों लीड एक्टर्स ने अपनी अपनी प्रतिक्रियाएं हमसे बांटी।
D-glam roles have given a lot of kick, a lot of boost actually to a lot of actors' career. In somewhat way, do you think this is going to take you to the next level?
Like I said, I think for me this film is like any other film. I don't look at it any differently from the films that I've done before. If at all, what you mentioned, I think it's because of the director that I'm working with. Because there are certain directors who I think can get you the commercial success. But then I also think there are directors who bring out certain performances from the actors which get you a lot of critical acclaim. So if at all anything, I don't know if it's the film that will do that for me, but it's definitely the fact that I've worked with Ashutosh as a director and the fact that hopefully he's brought out a performance. But again, it's too early to tell. Let's see when the film releases.
Yeah.
No, I don't look upon it as glamorous or de-glam. I think you have to play a character, and that's the most important. And you have to tell a good and interesting story. And if you're able to sell that story and convince the audience of your storytelling ability, then you graduate to the next level. It's not a particular genre of character that you play. We have to be very clear. At the end of the day, we're entertainers. We're here to entertain the audience. And by entertainment, I don't mean slapstick humor. You have to give them their money's worth for the duration of the film. And in order to do that, there has to be a team effort from the director to the actors to the cinematographer to the set director to everyone. So it doesn't matter what kind of role you do. I think in order to improve as an actor, you need to just entertain the audience correctly. And I think that's what helps you graduate to a higher level.
क्रांति को ना तो मैंने जन्म दिया है और ना ही उसका अंत में तय कर सकता हूं, क्योंकि ये तो एक प्रथा बन चुकी है।
Talking about the dialogue part, we see that's kind of missing in our cinema today. And the trailer that I saw right now, kind of ends with Abhishek talking about a dialogue where he's talking about Kranti. I mean, we've seen films wherein, talking about some of Bachchan Senior dialogues people still remember, some of Dilip Saab's dialogue people still remember, even Lagan's dialogue we still remember, Jodha Akbar's dialogue. And do you think you're trying to, do you think that we would, through this movie, would see some lasting dialogues that people would remember? And secondly, the film has been, I believe, has been done only in Hindi. Do you think reaching out to the wider audience worldwide, if it was done in English as well, would have perhaps given it a global appeal?
If I decide to make this film in English, the entire approach, the entire toolbox of the film, for me, would change. My entire treatment would change. And I did not want to do that. And coming to your first part of your question, I think dialogue is very important. Certain films require dialogue which has to be grandiose. It should have one-upmanship. It should have between two characters where both the characters are dramatically expressing to each other probably their angst, probably their the situation which is probably dividing them or bringing them together. You need grandioseness in those lines. But in a film like Khele Hum Ji Jaan Se, it's a deliberate attempt to slightly underplay that grandioseness in dialogue, because the dialogue is not so important. What is important is the quiet calm of Surja Sen, his revolution. Even in the court scene when he is expressing his point of view to the judges, he is still not jingoistic. He's still holding his tranquility, and he's very calm and content with the deed that he's committed, and he's willing to go and take whatever punishment that is accorded to him. That aspect, it emanates from Surja Sen and then spreads all across the film. So yes, there are a few lines in the film which are very, very strong, which some characters have said, but still they will not overpower the scene.
A Diwali celebration was held in Ontario, Canada at the Legislature in Queen's Park. Many members of Ontario's political legislature attended this event, including the Premier Dalton McGuinty and India's ambassador to Canada, SM Gawai. TV Asia's Gurbishan Monga has the story. Many of Canada's leading politicians addressed Diwali celebrations. The event featured traditional Kathak dancers who demonstrated fancy footwork and displayed flexibility through their performance. Members of Parliament, India's Consul General in Toronto, Preeti Saran, and Ambassador SM Gawai lit lamps in honor of Diwali.
Well, thank you so much for coming, and namaskar and happy Diwali to everybody here, belated as it may be. But this was the day that we could make sure that the Premier was here with us, and we certainly have the added pleasure of having the High Commissioner of India to Ottawa here, Mr. Gawai. So, High Commissioner, thank you very much for coming, and his wife, Reena Gawai. Thank you so much. You know, I want to talk about Diwali. Diwali should be bigger. I mean, I'm retired, so I can say I'll take that day off whenever it shows up. But what I was gratified to see, I must say, is the exposure that Diwali has now started to get over the last few years. Many people here in this room contributed to that. You know, we've had this for a few years, so we were kind of the premiers in terms of doing this.
Premier McGuinty, Ministers, Consul General Preeti Saran, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, namaskar, a very happy Diwali to all of you. First of all, let me congratulate Panorama India for doing such a wonderful job. Diwali is celebrated every year. In fact, it's become a permanent fixture on Parliament Hill in Ottawa. And just a few days ago, in fact earlier this week, it was celebrated on Parliament Hill with the Prime Minister himself participating, as he has been doing for the past 5 years. And he, of course, spoke then in very warm terms about India, about Canada-India relations, and indeed about the contribution which the Indo-Canadian community has been making to Canada. And I'm delighted to see that the Premier is here himself, as he has been in earlier years. And I know, Premier, that you are a very good friend of the Indo-Canadian community. And let me assure you that they appreciate the support that you give them in
Panorama India was discussed at the Diwali celebration. It is an organization which promotes Indian culture in Canada. The organization does so by encouraging different cultures be taught in schools. In this way, Indian culture will be taught as well. Panorama India also promotes celebrating India's holidays such as India Day, which is celebrated in August.
And first of all, I really want to thank Panorama India and the Consul General for inviting us all. When we started this event, I think a few years back, we were very, very excited about the Diwali function being held in the legislature. But now it has become a tradition and a sort of a ritual, and we look forward to this every year. And I want to tell you, this is the second Diwali event in the legislature.
Happy Diwali to each and every one of you. You know, I was thinking, that's one of the great things about being an Ontarian and Canadian. You don't have to just